Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change your background color on your Instagram story. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your Instagram. Now just simply click on your story. Now go to camera. Now just simply click on create over here. And now over here you can choose whatever type of story background color you want. So to be more specific, just simply click on the color wheel or the color option at the bottom right corner. And over here you can just simply click on them and the color will automatically change, as you can see right over here. Now you can also do is just simply hold on to that particular color wheel and a new type of wheel will appear where you can choose the color just like this by using your finger. You can also use some type of themes by choosing the middle option over here, just like this. These type of themes that you can get over here. Now over here again you can click on the color wheel option and choose what type of color you want, or just simply tap on the color wheel to get the best results, as you can see right over here. And to change a theme, just simply click on the dice option at the top and that will change the theme at the background, as you can see right over here. And now lastly, if you want GIFs in your background, you can obviously do that as well by choosing the GIF option. So now all you have to do is just simply add whatever you want right over here in the box and just simply post it. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.